morning, Mr. Rudy and friends. Today we're going to present about misinformation about MSG. My name is Felix and
I'm Chelsea, and we are going to present about misinformation.
so for the misinformation statements, we have 5. The first is people have said that MSG makes people dumb. The second is MSG makes people stupid because of an experiment that researched it. Number 3, the experiment was done where it couldn't be verified to humans because they injected MSG in big doses to rats. The fourth is MSG was said to cause hypertension within humans. The fifth, MSG in small doses is just the same as normal salt.
As for the true statement, Dr. Tirta said that MSG didn't make people dumb. He also said that MSG made people stupid because of an experiment that researchers did. Dr. Tirta said that an experiment was done where they injected MSG in a big doses. He also said that MSG caused by hypertension in humans. And lastly, Dr. Tirta said that MSG when injected in small doses, it acted like a surgery.
In an interview conducted by Raditya Dika, who is interviewing Dr. Tirta, they were discussing about MSG. Raditya Dika asked if MSG made people dumb, and Dr. Tirta said no. Then Dr. Tirta said that the belief that MSG made people dumb was because of an experiment that researchers did. He went further on and said that the experiment injected MSG in big doses, where humans would usually not take such big doses. When talking about the common side effects, Dr. Tirta said that MSG would cause hypertension in humans. Dr. Tirta also said that when MSG was injected in small doses, it would act like salt. Thank you for listening to our presentation, Mr. Rudy and friends. God bless you.